Hello ma'am, my name is Uma Mahajan and this topic name is constructor in Java. So basically a constructor in Java is a special type of method used to initialize objects. It is automatically invoked when an object of a class is created. So key characterized of a constructor. First is a same name as a class. The name of constructors must exactly match the name of the class in which is defined. So second is a no return type. So so constructors do not have a return type, not even odd. So their purpose is to initialize the object, and third part is automatically invoked. So basically that is a structure is called automatically when an object is created using the new keywords. And fourth part is initializations of a object. So it is used to set the initials value uh, of an object's fields, or performs other set of tasks. So suppose types of the constructors, that first types of constructor is default constructors. So a constructors with no parameter used to provide default values to object fields. And then if no constructor is implicitly defines implicitly defines Java automatically provide default constructors. So this is a default constructors. But second type of constructor is parameterized constructor. So parameterized constructors is a constructor that takes arguments to initialize fields with specific values during object creations. And third type of constructor is no argument constructors. So a user defines constructors with then number no parameters, uh, similar to the default constructors, but explicit is written by the programmers. So then the part is a constructor overloading. Is a special parts of a constructor. So uh, constructor overloading is multiple constructors can be defined within a class, each with a different parameter list. This is known as constructor overloading. So overloadings allows objects to be initialized in values, variables, and various ways. So basically, some special keywords in construction. First special keyword is these. So uh, these keywords. So refers to the current instance of the class, and used to call another constructor in the same class, and helps reduce code duplications. So, and second special keyword is super. So super keyword is referred to the parent class. It is it is used to call the constructor of the parent class. So thank you, ma'am.